Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can update the PHP options on Namecheap shared hosting. So what you want to do first is to go to hosting list, and here you're going to have go to cPanel for your hosting that you have. Then you're going to have PHP, so let's find here the PHP. And select PHP version. Here it is. Click on that. And here you see the options here, and then you're gonna have the options, and you see the current PHP version that you can change. And you can also like disable file uploads. Maximum execution time, you can change it to 1000, let's say. And you can change whatever you want to right here. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day, and goodbye.